Hey everybody, so as you know, we have an A-frame house and I have this hallway that is upstairs right next to the master bedroom that I decided that I wanted to convert into a master closet for all of my clothes and my shoes and my purses. So I am excited to share with all of you what we have actually done, and I built this myself, so I'm very excited to share. So here is the antique pie safe that I've had for many years that I've been wanting to use in a space like this. I'm going to use it for additional shelving in the closet space. Plus, here is the items that I purchased over at Home Depot. There is the drawers that are oversized that I cannot wait to install, as well as the shelving units that I've already started to put together. And then when you come and look down the hallway, I've actually got the first portion created and actually laid up against the wall area, but I'm still going to have to go ahead and cut that out because I want to make sure it lays flat against the walls. I truly love these drawers. They are all soft close.
Don't tell me to wait, I'm in the fast lane, I am too legit. Living on the edge, you better make way, I was born for this. Don't think twice while looking in the rear view, I'll blow you a kiss.
So here we go, ladies. All of my accessories, my shoes, my vintage clothing. I cannot wait to absolutely use and love this space.